Morning guys, in front of me is Xiaomi 15T Pro, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So at first let's open your phone dialer and go to keypad, as this is the panel in which we will be entering the codes. So let me start with the first code. The first one is pretty quick, pretty simple, *#06#. And as you can see, this code will provide you to device information. So once you need to check email or serial number, you can do it super quickly with this code only. Tap on OK. Another code that you can use on your device is *##, *225, #*#. And here you've got calendar info. So if you have any upcoming events stored on any calendar that is connected with this device, everything will be displayed right here, right in front of you. Let me go back. Another code that you can use is *##, *426, ***. And here we've got FCM diagnostic mode, where you can check events and status. So smoothly check whatever you need, and if you need or want to explore it more, just select more icon and mark advanced view, and now you've got access to way more details. Let me go back, and then another code that you can use here is *##, *4636, #* and #* again. So here we've got the testing panel. The first two options are for, it's all the same, however, for two of your IMEI numbers. So let me show you just on this one, on this first panel. So here you can check obviously IMEI, then current network, roaming, data service, data network type, voice service, voice network type, signal strength, and so on. What is interesting here is ping test. You can smoothly perform it right here, smoothly by tapping. And as I told you, it's all the same over here, just for the second IMEI. And then under Wi-Fi info, you will be able to check Wi-Fi APA, configuration, and status. So basically that's it. That's how you can use codes on this device, how you can explore it a bit. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.